Hey ATA squad, it's your girl Anna and I am back with another video. Today I'll be doing for you some juice, healthy juice that is orange carrot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Remember to turn your post notification bell on so you can be notified when I do post another video. Remember to watch the ads. Let's jump straight into the video. So guys, we have gathered all the ingredients that we're going to use. Well, most of them. We have orange, we have some carrots. Yes, them stay bad, but don't worry, we'll get them good. We have a little piece of ginger and we have some lemon. Yes, so these are our main ingredients, and we have already washed them. Now we are going to peel or strip the carrots. As you can see, them here, them that come from foreign, are right around somebody backyard, them a plant. So these were grown locally and they are, a little rough around the edges, but don't watch that. Once you clean, you know how to deal with it. So I have some water, and once I've stripped them, I'm just going to add it to the water. Now people, you don't have this fancy utensil, you can use on a knife and just, scrape it. You can use a spoon, you can use a fork, you can even use a bread knife and scrape it, so you don't have to, worry about this fancy, peeler. And I'm removing the top and the bottom of it. And guys, you know that carrot is loaded with nutrients, vitamins and mineral. It is good for the eyesight. So if you don't know nothing, you don't know say carrot good for the eyesight. So why would you not eat carrot? Why would you not drink carrot juice? Stop it. Make sure you add like a carrot to the diet. Whether you want to eat it or you want to drink it, it's up to you. But add some carrots to your diet. Okay? And for all of the bossy people that live in foreign and I get a little clean carrot them, that eliminate this process, this step. All you would have to do is, just wash it and probably cut the top part off and the bottom part if you want to remove the bottom part. It is really up to you. In this juice, I'm using mostly carrot because carrot is the base of the juice. Everything else is additives, to make the carrot juice a little bit better. So you can always play around with what you're going to add, what your additives are going to be. And I'm making enough juice to serve me at least 3 days. Well, with Will J, I'm not sure it's gonna serve me so long, but that's what I want, But this is my child's favorite juice. He loves carrot juice. Not with the milk, but with the, with the lime in there. Not using any lime today, but you can use lime instead of lemon. Okay, so we have finished cleaning all our carrots, as you can see here. So what we're going to do next is we are going to, clean our ginger. And you don't have to use this to do the ginger. If you know if you use your spoon, if you know if you use a knife, just use it. It is really up to you. I'm using this because it makes my life a little easier. But if you don't know how to use that, you don't have one, the juice can still make. So don't tell me say you know make the good juice then because you don't have the utensils. None of that. Use what you have. Okay? So if the ginger was not this messy, as me say around somebody backyard them I grew, I wouldn't need to really scrape off everything, but because I run at somebody backyard it grow and it don't look proper to me, we are going clean it up, right? We're not using a lot of ginger because you don't want the ginger to be overpowering. We just want, by the time you taste the ginger, you forget about the ginger. You understand? It's just for that little boost of flavor. Now I'm adding some salt to the water that I put the ginger and the carrots in. And this is just to get the vegetables a little bit cleaner. Whatever we missed, yeah. So we are putting that aside for it to soak for probably 10 minutes the most. I like to soak my vegetables, fruits and vegetables in salt water if I'm going to use them to make juice or even to cook. So here we are cutting the lemons and we are using the orange squeezer to extract the juice from the lemons. And people, when missing nothing and dashing nothing away, so we are trying to get everything out of it. Yes, we need in there for clean and white like Jesus police record. Yeah, man. So I've used 3 lemons, and you can use a little less. You probably can use 2, but I like my drinks a little bit tangy. So as I say, you can cut back on one of the lemon, and it depends on the size of the lemon also that you are going to use. And if you don't have lemon and you have lime, yes, you can use it. And if you have bugger lime, that is the coarse lime, you can also use it. People are not going to drink the juice. Once it's healthy, it is good, right? So when I see this I work me and hard, I don't know why I never just squeeze it out the strainer. Well, because as I said, not waste nothing that show. I never want nothing to waste. So look at that, we got a lot of juice. So we're just going to pour this into a container, and then we are going to juice our oranges. And I'm using 3 oranges, and these oranges are really sweet. So if your oranges are sour, you want to cut back on the amount of lemon you use or lime, because you'll already be having that tangy texture from it. So you decide how much orange to how much lemon depending on the taste of the orange. Yes, people. Oh, me know so the orange sweet, me know they are really sweet. So I'm repeating this step, the same thing that I did with the lemon. That's the exact same thing that I'm doing with the oranges. And people, wanna see it say, nothing in waste, nothing in dash way. So I could just go and chit chat a little. You don't know the orange full of vitamins, right? Especially vitamin C. Especially in the COVID time here, we don't need a little orange juice in our body. Drink like orange juice, man. Put it with the carrot and get a nice little flavor. And the kids, if the kids like orange, all you need to let them see you do is put the orange in whatever fruit, whatever vegetable you want to put it with. Because that's how I get my son to eat a lot of things. I pair it with something that he likes. So this is healthy. You can also use this juice after it is finished mixing and all of the nice things them going ahead to make some popsicle. Yeah, because I'm going to make some popsicle as well. So look there, people, freshly squeezed orange juice. Wake feel I have nothing for me. Nothing at all. So what we're going to do now, we have strained the water from the carrot and the ginger, and we have rewash, because we don't want a little salt for left on it and salt up the juice, So we ensure that all of the salt needs to wash off. Yeah. Sometimes all the fruits and vegetables have saltness on them. Wash them off, man. So we're just going to cut this, and this is in no specific shape and size. And guys, I'm going to blend these, but you can also put them in the juicer. If I was not making juice to serve for 3 days, I'd probably put it in the juicer because with the juicer you don't have any water to it or anything, so the food processor, it would have just, done the job. But we are Jamaican, know what we mean. We want it to serve like a long time. You know how much you want tropical rhythm? Look here, make your own juice. So, nobody look how me I cut up the carrot them. No specific shape, no specific size. So we are just cutting the ginger, as I said. And remember, people, don't add too much ginger. This is not a ginger juice, and kids are going to get it. Remember that ginger is a bit harsh. Don't overload the bullet when you reach here. So you already patiently cut up your things, wash them and everything. Take a little time. The juice soon done make. Soon done make. Alright? So we are just adding enough carrot and ginger to each of the bottles, and after we have added enough, we're just going to add some cane juice. You can skip the cane juice if you want to add sugar to your thing, or syrup, but we want to keep this natural. So I'm adding some cane juice here, and I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna just blend it up. And people, for the love of Jesus, don't overwork the things then. Because you want to blend some more nice juice tomorrow. So blend and stop. Blend and stop. Blend and stop. Look how me I gonna mash up the people and blend that with my barrel. I see them remember to stop, man. So blend and stop, as I say. And we're just going to complete the blending process. So we're going to blend off all of the carrots and ginger that we have, and wait pan it for all of the nice things them can go in it. So remember now, these fruits and vegetables are loaded with vitamins and minerals. They're good for you, they're good for me, and they're good for the kids. If you are breastfeed, if you're on period, it no matter what you do, you can drink this. This is healthy and this is good for you. And it is also refreshing. And if you don't believe me, or if somebody tell us something else, tell them, say, Anna say, she know what she had to talk about. Alright? So here, we're just going to pour it into the jug. And we're not going to strain it as yet. And if you don't want to strain it, you don't have to strain it. But because there are kids that are going to partake from this, we want to strain it. So we're adding the lime juice to this. Look, the people, watch me squeezy. Nothing processed in that. Now we're adding the orange juice. Look at the color, refined, refreshing. And we're just going to give this a stir up. Stir up the thing. And this is ready, this is ready because it is already sweetened with the cane juice. But if for some reason you want to add a sugar or whatever you want to add to it, it's really up to you. But it don't really require no much syrup or no sugar. So people, we are going to mix this. Look how rich it is. Look at the bubbles. We're going to strain it now. And this is the final process. So see there? Yeah, look on the color, look on the niceness. And if you're going to add sugar to this, people, ensure so you use proper granulated sugar. While the cane sugar is the better sugar, but you want to keep the color. Especially if you're going to give kids go for colors. Okay? So we're just going to strain this and repeat the process. Once it finishes straining, we see what I go on. See there, we have all like a piece of spoon. And on Jamaican, don't know say for the video why we are using a strainer. I want a piece of cloth on our back where you wash and make sure so you sterilize properly and put everything in it and you squeeze it. And it's everything come out and it's really nice. Yeah? So guys, we have garnished with a piece of orange peel. You can garnish with just about anything you want or not at all. So the one with the orange peel is for me, and the one without the orange peel is for Will J, of course. Yeah? And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment, tell a friend, tell somebody about Anna. Remember to watch the ads, people. Watch the ads, it is really important. Try my juice. Comment down below and tell me if you have already tried this or if you are going to try this. This was really refreshing. Until next time, it's your girl Anna. Enough love, manners and respect. See you